grabs her purse and flees. Witnesses catch a glimpse of him running to a dark blue sedan, which peels away. No one catches the license plate. Police and an ambulance quickly arrive. At 7 o'clock, one of Hong's co-workers calls Jim Ballinger and says there's been an accident. Jim thinks she must mean a car accident. He imagines Hong struggling to explain herself in English.
It's a white Lexus. License plate is Charlie Bravo Yankee Juliet 839.
He thinks she'll need him to help translate. Jim and Joshua jump into the gray pickup